Diphu, the headquarters of Karbi Anglong District. Apart from being the headquarters, it is also a fast-growing commercial town. Railway, which is the most widely used mode of transportation here, passes by this beautiful town. This is the office of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, which is like a bag of hopes and aspirations for the people of this district. The then Mikir Hills district and at present the Karbi Anglong District Autonomous Council was established in the year 1952 on 23rd of June. The council was inaugurated by the then Chief Minister, late Bishnuram Medhi. The people of Karbi Anglong at that time did not find it suitable to use the term Mikir Hills. So on 14th October in the year 1976, after the demand of the people of Karbi Anglong, the government of Assam passed an amendment to rename the district as Karbi Anglong, thus respecting the sentiments of the people. At first, this district council gave charge to a few departments like primary education, land preservation and roadways development.